This is why you need a minimalist living room makeover. It's simpler, it's stylish, and it's oh so satisfying. First off, declutter. Keep only what you love and need. Less is more, people. Next, embrace neutral colors, whites, grays, and soft pastels. Create a calm and sophisticated vibe. Think serene, not sterile. Now, let's talk furniture. Opt for sleek, functional pieces. A comfy sofa, a simple coffee table, and a statement light fixture can totally transform your space. Remember, clean lines are your best friends. Add a touch of nature with some green plants. They not only purify the air, but also add a pop of freshness. Finally, keep your decor minimal yet meaningful. A beautiful piece of art or a few cherished photos can make your living room feel both elegant and personal. So, are you ready to embrace minimalist elegance? Your dream living room awaits. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content.